Do you own a 2020 onward BT-50 or D-Max and you're looking to upgrade your ride with premium suspension? Then you're in the right place, because in this video, we're going to be diving into the Formula 4x4 F4R remote res lift kits and show you exactly how you can take your ride's performance to the next level. So what makes this lift kit stand out from the rest? The Formula 4x4 F4R remote res lift kits come with remote res shocks, and these offer numerous advantages over your standard lift kit shocks. These benefits include a larger bore diameter and an attached remote reservoir, increasing your oil capacity and overall improving the cooling efficiency. The front struts have three-way adjustment, which means they have spring preload and also height adjustment, giving you 2 to 3 inches of lift. You've also got high and low speed compression as well as rebound adjustment. Whereas the rear shocks have two-way adjustment with high and low speed compression as well as rebound adjustment. The shocks have 26 clicks of adjustment, meaning you can fine-tune the ride to suit whatever your needs are, no matter whether that's loading up to go away or taking the vehicle through some tough tracks. These shocks are also made out of aviation-grade alloy, which means they're built to last, and they're also backed by a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty. So what do you actually get in the lift kit? Well, to start off with, you get F4R front strut that's fully assembled with the spring. You also get the front mounting brackets for the front reservoirs. On the rear, you have the F4R remote res shocks on the rear, the U-bolts, greasable shackles and bushes from SuperPro, and also the leaf springs. Included in the kits as well is a rear brake line spacer. As with all of our lift kits, we offer several optional extras. And the ones I highly recommend you get when you order this lift kit is to get a set of steering knuckles from SuperPro, as well as upper control arm. The main reason behind this is because the steering knuckles will fix any bump steer issues you're gonna have with this particular model, and especially once you lift it, it's gonna exaggerate that bump steer issue. And the upper control arm's job is there to help fix your camber and caster once you do lift it, to avoid any issues with incorrect alignments, as well as fix any issues with clearances between the upper control arms and the front struts. If you want to learn more about that bump steer issue and why you need to get this steering knuckle, then you can go check out one of our videos already uploaded to YouTube to get more information on that. If you're someone that only occasionally carries a lot of load in the rear of your vehicle, such as towing a caravan or a boat, or maybe only loading up to go camping every now and then, you're someone that might benefit from getting airbags. The reason behind this is because that way you can keep lighter duty leaf springs for your day-to-day driving, making it a lot more comfortable compared to the heavier duty leaf springs. And then when you do load up and you go over those leaf springs load rating, you can get the airbags pumped up to carry that extra load and help level the vehicle back out. Each one of our lift kits comes with a handy instruction guide for anyone wanting to install it themselves. However, if you're wanting us to install it for you, simply select click and fit during checkout and select one of our local stores across Australia, and we'll have it fitted for you. To check out this kit online, simply click the link down below. And if you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise guys, get out there and go exploring.